as we all know that life happens, and I'm really so sorry because this challenge should have finished like a week ago, and here we are still. But thank you so much for everyone who participated in this quick braid and twist style. I hope you received growth. A month is a good time to see half an inch. I didn't do any measurements, but in this video today I'm going to be transitioning my style. So let's get into today's video. Welcome or welcome back to Grow with Shev, where we talk about all things natural hair, including my own natural hair journey, styling ideas, DIYs, and so much more to help you grow your natural hair long, healthy, and strong. Yes, we've been in this short-term, longish-term protective style. It's time to remove this style now. It could be the end of the challenge for you. Well done for doing this challenge. Maybe this was your first challenge. Please do let me know down below in the comments how you found that as a challenge. It was a nice, easy one for me, and something that I'll go to anytime I need a break in between my mini braids. But I've decided to actually do chunky braids now, and that means I'm going to transition this style. It means I'm going to keep my partings just the same, moisturize my hair because it's clean, and actually just change the style from braid and twist to braids. So in this video you can actually see I've already removed the braid and twist, and I'm just left with this braid out style. So you could actually wear this braid and twist out style. You could wear this for a couple of days actually, or maybe even a week, and then put the braids in. That's how I use transition styles, to actually just also still keep my hair protected. I'm not parting it, I'm not combing through it, so it's still quite protected. And I can keep doing that for a while to just reuse my partings and really lessen the damage on my natural hair. So all I'm doing, instead of braiding and stopping and twisting, I'm going to braid all the way down the length of the braid. And would you believe it, we're all in July. We set some hair goals at the start of the year. It's nearly 7 months. It's more than 7 months actually since we set those hair goals. How are you doing with your hair goals? Are you achieving your targets? Are you doing the normal practices of every day? Have you just put your hair in a protective style, quote unquote, and left it there? It's time to review those goals as we are mid-year and we are flying through mid-year. It's also time to look at our plans for the summer with our hair, making sure that the hair care practices are good and sustainable for a natural hair. And I've got tons of videos on my channel talking to you about summer natural hair care, so do check those out. But this is probably our 4th challenge. We've been doing a lot of challenges here on Grow with Shev, and so it's those challenges, you know, by that keeps the momentum going, and we're able to grow our natural hair. So I hope you're seeing lots of growth as you look at my hair there, and as I braid down that length of that hair, you can see the amount of growth that I'm achieving. That did not come overnight. I did not grow my hair long overnight. I've got tons of videos on here talking you through my natural hair journey, and actually letting you know that it is a journey. Growing out your natural hair is a journey. Some days you actually feel like doing it, some days you don't, some days, you know, you want to do a process to it. But I'm so glad that I've stuck to it because I can actually see the length and the health in my hair, and it's really encouraging me, and I hope it's encouraging you. If you've not yet subscribed, Grow with Shev is the hair care channel for you. Tons of videos, tons of motivation, tons of playlists here on this channel, helping you, teaching you how to grow your natural hair through simple hair care practices. Long-term protective style using mini braids, long-term protective style using mini twists, even corner hair growth challenges, giving you general hair care tips, talking you through DIYs. Over 600 videos, probably almost 700 videos here on this channel to help you, just simply to help you to grow your natural hair long, healthy, and strong. So if you're looking for a hub to grow your natural hair in 2025, this is the hub. This is all the information that you need to grow out your natural hair. It won't cost you a lot of money. I don't push a lot of products on hair. I talk you through sustainably how to grow your natural hair. Any budget is welcome here on Simply Shev, because the practices that I do, if you can braid, you can mini braids. If you can twist, you can mini twist. And those styles can last you up to 2 months. You wash your hair. You can wash your hair in the style and rinse and repeat. You can do your hair 6 times for the year, and you get great growth. You should be retaining a lot of the length because you're not in your hair too much, and you'll be seeing lots of growth like you're seeing in my hair in the video. Just gorgeous. How are you doing? Do let me know down below in the comment section if there are any problem areas, if there's any questions you'd like to ask. I've been doing YouTube now, doing natural hair over 4 years. Throughout that time, I've made time to research hair care so that I can help my community. And I thank each and every one of my subscribers. We are gaining some momentum. We do want to hit 5K before the end of the year. So do hit the subscribe button. Share this video with someone that you think will benefit. Go back to some of the videos that you've probably not watched in a while, like them, engage with them, and all of those things really help my channel to grow, and I'm really trying to grow. I'm trying to reach as many ladies as possible, so thank you so much for your support. So back to the video. And this style is really, really quick. So because my hair is already parted, I simply just go in and braid my hair. And it's literally, this style can take less than an hour. If you're a seasoned braider like myself, half an hour. You can actually do it while you're watching program because it's already parted. You actually know what this style is going to look like before it's finished. And so it's like a no thought. No, you don't have to think when you put in this style in. It's very, very easy. And once again, you can just wash this, restyle it, and wash and repeat for 2 years. You can keep doing this as your protective style. You don't need to do those mini braids. Of course, this requires a lot more maintenance because unlike the mini braids, it will get messy really quickly. Being 2 or 3 weeks, you can actually keep it in for, and you could actually just re-braid just those front ones, and the back will still, especially if you're keeping it in a ponytail, it will still keep to the style. So it's just a really great, easy protective style that will have your natural hair growing long, healthy, and strong. And so I hope you've been taking part in these challenges. If you're not yet motivated to join one, I've done most. I've done even crochet braids challenge, although I've not put that on this channel, but I've put my hair through quite a lot of challenges. So there should be something for you to join in. I've also put some quiz there on my community pages, and I'll try to do a few more live videos where I can go by and answer that, because you've been actually answering a lot of quizzes over the past years, and I really want to go and dive deep into some of those and give you some more detailed responses. So I'll try to get a few lives on. Probably Friday mornings is most convenient for me. But there I am. It's already done braided. It's looking gorgeous, and I just cannot believe the length of my hair. My hair's really, really grown. Before I'd have to put extensions in my hair to see any length of this magnitude. And you see my hair there, it's just looking healthy, it's just looking long, it's just looking gorgeous. And that's exactly what you get if you follow the hair care tips and practices that I do on Simply Shev. You'll just get good, natural, long, beautiful, long natural hair like myself without breaking the bank. I do have a complete guide on how to grow your hair in mini braids that is available on my membership page. If you want to support me in another way, you can actually join this channel. There's a join button there, where if you do that, I will produce more content for you, for those within a membership. I do have lots of stuff that I could discuss within that page. So if you're so inclined to, you can go ahead and join, and I will provide you with more content in there. And thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope it's inspired you to grow your natural hair long, healthy, and strong. Once again, subscribe if you've not subscribed yet. There is plenty more coming up on my channel. Take care. I'll see you in my next video. I don't know if it'll be another challenge just yet, but do look out for lots of videos on taking care of your natural hair. Actually, you might see how this style progresses until takedown. Look out for the next video. Take care. See you. God bless.